We have to find each sum. We have rational numbers. To add rational numbers, we use the same rules like for adding integers. So what we can do first number is positive, the second and third is negative. So we can add first these two negative numbers. So we copy first number is 5.75 plus, and we have to add these two negative numbers. When we add negative numbers, we need to copy both of them negative. So we copy negative sign, and we have to just add these numbers. We have 3 plus 6.25. So 3 plus 6 is 9. We add whole numbers. 0.25 we rewrite. So this is equal. And now we have to add two numbers. One is positive, one negative. So first we check which of these two numbers, we forget about this negative sign, we compare only numbers, 9.25 and 5.75. 9.25 is greater than 5.75. So we check the sign before the greater number is negative. So we copy negative sign, and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 9.25 minus 5.75. Negative sign we have to rewrite, and we will subtract these two decimal numbers. We have to keep ones in the same column. Decimal point 75. We start from the last column. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 7 we cannot do, so we will borrow 1 from 9. So here will be 8, and now we have 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. We copy decimal point. 8 minus 5 is 3. So we got 3.50, so we can write that this is 3.5. We don't need the 0 after 5 because it's still the same number. And next example, we have addition. First number is negative, and second and third is positive. So first, I will add these two positive numbers, and next negative. So I will copy negative number 0.3, and we have 7.1 plus 1. So we add whole numbers. 7 plus 1 is 8. We have decimal point 1. We copy. So this is equal. Now we have addition of two rational numbers. First is negative, second is positive. First we compare the numbers. We forget about negative sign. So we have 11.3 and 8.1. 11.3 is greater than 8.1. So we check the sign before the greater number is negative. So we copy this negative sign, and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. Copy negative sign, and we have 11.3 minus 8.1. We have to keep ones in the same column, decimal point, tens. So start from the last column. 3 minus 1 is 2. We copy decimal point, and now we have 11 minus 8 is 3. So we have negative 3.2. This is my solution.